Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account on the new Instagram app which is called Threads there, so which is connected to the Instagram app. So you can create a Threads app within the Instagram app here, or you can just go to the Play Store and create an app. But if you want to create a Threads account, it's easy to have an Instagram account. So first of all, you just need to tap on your profile here. Then you just have to tap on the right corner of the three-line menu here. Then you will find the option called Threads here. So if you don't have the update version of Instagram here, just update it and you will get this Threads option here. So just tap on Thread and you will have a ticket like this, which is also called Thread here. So you just have to tap on Get Threads here, and this will automatically take you to the install app here. So you just have to install this Thread Instagram app here. Click on Install. After installing the Threads app here, you just need to tap on Open here. And after opening the Threads app here, you can log in with your Instagram account, or you can also switch accounts. So if you tap on Switch Accounts, so if you have another account on Instagram, you can just log in with that account, or I'm just going to log in with my current Instagram account here. So I'm just gonna tap on Login with Instagram. And after that, this will take you to this page here. At the first, you just have to set up your profile here. So you can just tap on Import from Profile Instagram, or you can just write any bio and add link here. So I'm just going to import from Instagram here. Tap on Instagram. After that, your Threads account will be connected to Instagram here. So you just need to tap on Continue. Then this will choose you to if you want your profile public or private here. So for example, I'm just choosing public here. Tap on Continue. Then this will tell you follow the same accounts on Instagram. So if they create an account of Threads here, you will just automatically can follow all the accounts here. So I'm just going to tap follow all. Then this will show you how Threads work here. So it is powered by Instagram here. So you just have to tap on join Threads here. After that, this will take you to the Threads homepage or the newsfeed here. So this will look like this here. So Threads app look like this. And this is here the search option here. You can search anyone, I can follow them. And this is the option you can create a thread here, and also you can add a photo here. And this is in the right corner your profile here. You can edit your profile or share your profile. And this is the settings option here. So that's it guys. This is how you create a Threads account from Instagram here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.